then she would kill me. So 4.5 just for her. Blooper! Spill the tea! Yeah!
Yeah. Take that tissue.
Thank you.
Tissue.
Hi guys, welcome to my Bua channel, Travel Smart, and today we're going to be trying Gen Z food. So we have firstly boba tea, matcha, which is a Gen Z loving item, and coffee, of course. How can a Gen Z go without coffee?
Which Fufu really loves. The
Yes.
OG cold coffee. These are peri fries. जो अनाहत बहुत खाती है.
Yes, a peri lover. Then we have sushi, obviously. Then we have the famous Korean fried chicken, every drunk person's favorite go-to food. Some ramen and some dim sums. And along with that, for dessert, we do have the famous Iana Gardens chocolate brownie pudding.
Made by Anahat.
Made by me, obviously. Thank you, guys. And now,
The ramen is also made by Anahat.
yes,
So we ordered the ramen and made it at home.
it took
So
so much
according
time.
to them, it has to be this soupy.
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
So there are two types of people. Some people who like it extremely soupy or extremely dry. But the ramen, obviously, lovers need it more soupy.
Okay. So what are we going to try first? Some drink.
Some coffee.
Let's
let-
try fries ना?
Okay, why
वो
not?
अगर टेस्ट अच्छा नहीं लगा तो ऊपर से फ्राई खा सकते हैं ना.
Okay, guys, which drink do you
No, I
want?
think
Coffee?
let's start with matcha.
Matcha?
Yeah.
So,
For matcha, we have the green straw. Na?
yes, I like how it's layered. There is a foam. There's the matcha layer, and then there's the obviously the milk at the base. So, looks really pretty. First,
You
starting
have to
with this.
shake it up. Or?
So usually you do this, just shake it up nice and good. And now instead of like removing the foil, you just kind of
एक फुका मार.
yes, come on, go for it.
Matcha taste.
Matcha taste.
Let me try.
It's very matcha. But
Yeah.
not bad. It's
But I-
sweet. It's sweet.
I like matcha, so I'm okay with
Yeah,
that.
it's sweet and matcha.
It doesn't taste as grassy as other matchas, so I'll still give it a good rating.
So where is this from?
This is
Spill
from
the tea.
Spill the Tea,
Spill the tea.
like we
Yeah.
all Gen Zs like to do. Spill the tea.
Okay.
Spill the tea.
So this was matcha first. The next one is
This is brown sugar boba. So again, the milk on top, the boba
She
at the
loves
bottom.
boba.
I
don't
recently
like
have
boba.
gotten into boba. Not in India. I am a little judgy like that.
नहीं,
But
इसके लिए ये straw नहीं
yeah,
है.
that's for coffee.
क्योंकि boba है ना
Has
उसमें,
thicker
so
bo-
thicker
yeah.
straw होता है.
Yeah. So boba, always you get a special straw that's bigger so that you can actually suck the boba up.
समझ रहे हो समझ रहे हो आप समझ रहे हो ना
Take that tissue. Take
Thank
that
you.
Tissue.
Thank you guys. Blooper!
नहीं.
Spill the tea!
Spill the tea.
but we
Such
should
a
have some.
Wow, go for it. Try to get a boba.
I like this.
Like
Yeah.
this?
Better than the matcha.
Better than the matcha.
Oh, really?
The boba is of course a little chewy. It has to be chewy.
Yeah, it has to be chewy. Nice.
But it's nice.
Not bad. Yeah.
Milky, on the milkier side.
Yeah.
But the pearls are really nice, chewy, bouncy. The texture is good. But otherwise, no. So different.
Nice. Now the third one is
You're not very happy with it.
No, I like it over the
Because-
matcha.
ये इसका straw है.
कौन है ये लोग कहाँ से आते हैं
I like it over the matcha, but I will always be a coffee lover.
This is OG.
OG coffee. You physically cannot go wrong with coffee. If you go wrong with coffee, you just shut down your cafe. He was waiting for me.
Yeah.
oh, yes. For
हमारे
my-
जमाने में we used to have this
हमारे
cold
लिए
coffee
ये-
with ice cream.
ये boba शोबा अपने बस का रोग नहीं है.
Also,
Yeah,
one
I
more
like
thing.
the boba.
Yeah, even I like the boba. One more thing about this is Spill the Tea is actually going with the Gen Z trend with the glasses and the curved base that a lot of people have not started yet. So that's cute and great.
Okay. For me, boba, I was not expecting it to be that good. So I can have this. I would, I would give it a 4.
I would give the boba a 3 because it was a little too milky for me.
3 for boba because I'm not a
Boba person.
Boba person.
No,
yeah.
even neither am I. But somehow I don't know. I like
It's not that
this.
bad. Yeah. It's
Okay.
good. Then matcha.
Matcha, I would give a 3. I'm not a matcha person.
Matcha, I would give a 2. It's not as grassy
Yeah,
as the other
yeah.
ones, but
I'm
definitely not
I-
me. You can either be a matcha or a coffee person.
I can give 3.
Yeah. And then coffee.
Coffee, I give 4.
4.5 for me.
I will always give it 5.5. As a coffee lover, we can never
Yeah,
give
it's
it a
made,
bad
it's made
rating.
nicely.
Yeah, it's made nicely.
Ye fufu, I'm sure you take it from him. He's going to finish all this up.
Let him. We have this also. It's fine, guys. It's fine.
You just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
And we give plus 0.5 for the classes.
Yeah, the straws
For
are
the
good.
cute aestheticness.
And next we'll try the momos. These are actually Prasuma spicy chicken momos. They have this chutney along with it. We just made it at our place only. We made it.
We steamed it.
Yeah.
We steamed it and then we
steamed it and then
made it look
for
pretty.
15 minutes.
yeah, and then we
So-
drizzled some sauce on.
Yeah, so you can taste.
Here you go.
Very nice.
Let me just say everyone's speechless.
Nice.
Yeah. They say spicy chicken, but it's not that spicy. They have a normal chicken also, but I think better to go with spicy chicken.
Also, the flavor
Yeah.
in spicy chicken is definitely more than the original chicken, so just go for the spicy one.
Yeah. And also you can always freeze this packet. तुम्हारे घर पे कोई भी गेस्ट
Yeah.
आते हैं कभी भी
Last
निकालो
minute.
15 मिनट स्टीम करो and serve it. So
Hot,
झटपट
hot, garam, garam.
झटपट
Yes.
झटपट.
पट पटापट
Good.
मैं कौन खा लूं?
Go for it. And what ratings, guys? What ratings?
5 out of 5.
4.5.
Even I'll give it a 4.5. I think it can be spicier, but I am a little spicy person like that.
You
so.
can have this with your
Shezwan.
Shezwan.
Yes, obviously. Next time for
But
sure.
I cannot have more spicy than this.
Yeah.
So for me, it's
Perfect. Yeah.
Okay. So now what do you want to try next?
Prawn.
इन दोनों का फेवरेट है ये. बाऊजी से है prawn
Prawn
tempura.
tempura roll. Yeah.
या सो ये हमारे घर में पता नहीं वीक में कितनी बार ही आता है. ये दोनों
It's a
खाते हैं.
comfort food. Everybody's comfort food. Sushi. You can never go wrong. Fufu.
No! God, please, no! No!
Fufu got excited.
ये तो he'll give it a 5 on
Yeah.
5.
Work, come on. Please ignore my bua and don't hate her in the comments for using
No,
a
it's
fork.
okay. Nobody will hate me. I'm a 60-year-old and I hate eating with chopsticks.
Emotional, damn it!
Chopsticks is. Oh lord,
Yeah.
oh lord. The sushi is stuck. I think it was creamy. The prawn tempura was crunchy. The outside rice has a perfect balance of crunch and chewiness and gooiness, which is amazing. And the soy sauce also like adds a little salty flavor to it. Personally, I would give it a 5 on 5.
Very nice.
Yeah, I would also rate it as 5 because this is something that we all enjoy. और आप देख रहे हो ब्रजेश ने chopsticks ready रखी हुई है.
For another bite.
Yeah, for another bite.
ए रहा नहीं जाता तड़प ही ऐसी है ना.
दे दिया ना 5 अभी मैं खाता हूँ.
आप कितना दोगे?
5.
See, there is one OCD person sitting here.
Look, we'll keep it here. Inside.
So he keeps cleaning. I'm sure you have this kind of a mom in your house.
We're keeping all the food next to fufu and the food is slowly going to start disappearing.
Yes. Up peri peri fries, Anahat ke favorite.
You can never go wrong with this. You have to have it every single time, whether you're drunk, sober, breathing. Have it. Thank you.
Have it.
Oh. Let's cheers with it.
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers.
मौत को छू के टक से वापस आ सकता
Fine. Fries are always comfort food.
100.
Nothing.
105.
Nothing can go wrong with fries.
I agree.
And it's a comfort food. कभी भी
Next is Korean fried chicken.
I am not.
Korean fried chicken.
This comes with
ये
a
तो
dip.
बिल्कुल भी मेरे टाइप का नहीं है. नहीं बुआ नहीं खाएगी.
Arey, one bite you have to try. You can't be a part of the video and not try. Come on.
ऐसे तो नहीं होता है.
Yeah.
Yeah. कितना लंबा. छोटा जय
It's just chicken.
छोटा जय पीस चाहिए मेरे पास.
Not bad, yeah, boy.
It's got a very Korean taste, of course.
It's very gochujang. The chicken's not crispy but definitely tender, and they have spring onions which gives a little crunch to it. So I think it's overall I'll give it a 4 on 5.
We got it from Versova Social.
I think it could have been a little more crunchier. That's
Yeah,
why I
outside
lost one.
crunchier,
Yeah,
inside.
yeah, gooey and tender.
I
But-
somehow felt it was a little chewy.
Mhm.
I mean, it shouldn't have been chewy. The taste is fine. So I would give it a 4 actually.
Not bad.
Sauce part is okay, but meat part is not.
I
Yeah,
agree.
yeah.
I
I
agree.
gave 4.
I gave 4.
Okay. ये बनाया है अनाहत ने मंगवा के रामेन.
So you all have to mix it first, or I'll mix it, and then you'll try the
Yeah.
ramen, and then with the spoon try this.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
I hope it's not too spicy.
Thanks, mommy. It's not spicy though. It's actually really good.
Yeah.
All credits to one of my best friends. She's obsessed with this.
Manya?
Yes, Manya Sharma gets a shout out for this. Manya
Different than our normal noodles. actually.
normal noodles, yeah. So you get this a spicier version, but then people find that too spicy. So that's why I ordered this.
This is good enough.
And this is more common than the other ones
Okay.
because people can't handle the Korean spice now.
Right. Nice, yeah.
Very nice. और जो cheese slice.
This is like comes in packet and you make it at home.
Yeah. And 5 minutes. So if
5
you're a
minutes.
student or a young working employee, this is like a go-to dinner. if Didi
Yeah,
nahi
and adding a cheese slice, I think it gives a little more,
More
taste,
flavor, yeah.
flavor to it.
I think I would avoid it because I'm not that cheesy of a person.
Yeah, even I'm not a very cheesy person.
But just obviously for the aesthetics, we have to do it.
What rating would you give this?
I would rate this a 4, but because it's my best friend's dish and she would kill me, so 4.5 just for her.
No, I think I can try it again. So I would give it a 5. This is something that I have tried for
I
the
agree.
first time.
Yeah.
हम normal Maggi noodles खाते हैं. But then yes, I've tried ramen at the restaurants. But somehow I like this.
This is-
yeah. I would give it a 5.
They're good,
Definitely.
bougie.
Looking at you
feeling
have made it
home.
at home.
Yeah.
Then it is so good. I think
Yeah.
5.
Okay, guys, so this is the famous Aina Gardens brownie pudding. It's basically just chocolate pudding with a thin crust of the brownie being on top. Yeah, it sets very well, it melts really well. It's like a chocolate lava cake. It's explosion, and it's served best with ice cream on top.
Yeah, and she's made it at home. She's baked this.
Yes, I went under the TikTok trend and had to solve for this recipe. So here it is.
Okay, let's try. I like this top
Crispy
portion,
part.
crispy part.
Yeah.
Very nice. Chocolate is nice. The crust is tasty.
You get the brownie ka crusty part
Very nice.
also.
भाई मजा आया.
This Anahat showed me
Well
this
done.
Thank you.
pudding
5 out
on
of 5.
pudding on YouTube the
YouTube,
other
yeah.
day, I was going to try it, but before that, she has tried it. And
I had to surprise them with it.
yeah.
So I think this is the perfect end to the video in terms
Yes.
of I'll give it a 5 on 5.
And my
5.
daughter gets 5 on 5.
Thank you. This can be a little
Excellent.
biased,
Yes, this is a little
but
biased.
end the video with a
then yeah.
bang.
Yes. So that is all the food that we have tried today. I mean, we tried to, put in as much Gen Z food as possible. Dhire dhire. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and please comment below if you want us to make some other videos like these for you. So until our next time, it's adios, tata, bye bye,
Love you.
love you all.
In all the languages.